Well. This is we are introducing to you the first ever innovation automation from sinewall technology designed by our own senior technician, Kayabula Rogers ability. So here is how he's going to demonstrate to us his project he wants to sell to the outside world.
Well, this is a password protected, security sensitive door lock system.
Yes.
That uses a GSM to notify the owner. For instance, if a wrong password is entered,
yes, and
you get a notification that someone is on your door. Let's first demonstrate that.
Yes.
Once you press any key,
yes,
that's wrong, you can easily get a notification that someone is on your door, wherever you are, because it uses a GSM.
Yes.
Now, if there is a correct password entered, the mechanical door just opens. Let's see. 1 3 7 9. The mechanical door just opened. If we want to close, we just press the reset button. It just closes. Yes, and briefly that's how it works, but there are some more other modifications that are going to be done on it. Thanks for watching.